What's up, gig workers, rideshare drivers, food delivery drivers? I wanted to tell you all about an exciting new opportunity to earn some quick money and also possibly set you up with a great new membership. I know it sounds really weird. There's a new company. It's a rideshare insurance company that I just heard about. Buckle. I'm gonna have a link below. Buckle was designed exclusively for rideshare and delivery drivers because gig workers deserve better options. And I agree. Rideshare drivers have always been getting the short end of the stick, especially with insurance. It's like most insurance companies do not want to cover rideshare and delivery drivers, and then the rideshare and delivery insurance, or the companies, their policies are like horrible. So it's like, if you ever tried to got into an accident, it's like the worst thing ever. So I've heard, but luckily I've never been into one. But listen to this, they're paying drivers to sign up because I'm assuming they just want to get every driver over to sign up for this company called Buckle. Now you get $5 when you sign up for a free Buckle membership anywhere in the country, anywhere in the United States. I believe. I don't think it's over worldwide yet, but check it out. It says nationwide, so I'm assuming they're talking about the United States. But I mean, hey, there's other nations out there. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it's just the United States. I think you need to type in your address, so I'm sure if it doesn't work, it won't let you go through. But that's $5 for signing up nationwide, and then $20 when you get a free Buckle quote. You get $20 just for getting a free Buckle quote. And that's that's only in select states: Pennsylvania, Florida, Texas, Georgia, Tennessee, Delaware, Illinois, Nevada, and Maryland. So you get paid out through PayPal or a Visa card. So yeah, check it out. Check out the program. It seems really cool. And yeah, let me know if you end up signing up. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye now.